The idea of working from home, being your own boss, spending only a few hours, and earning a decent income is something that appeals to most people. It's understandable due to the huge amounts of money that can be made online and the fact that you get to work for yourself while doing it. There are many ways to make money online. That's the beauty of the internet. Below is a list of 6 different but popular methods of making money online. 1. Set up a blog or website for profit. One of the best ways to earn money online is to create a blog or website and have Google AdSense advertisements on the blog or website, which earns you money every time someone clicks on the Google Ads. There are lots of different types of money-making blogs and websites, but you will need to direct traffic to your blogs and websites, because without traffic, you won't make any money. 2. Affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you are a bit like a salesperson for the sites you are directing traffic to. But because the selling is done pretty much by the merchant, you don't need to do much selling. See, the merchant has invested lots of money on their product and service and on their marketing too. What you have to do is deliver traffic to the merchant's website, who then takes care of everything from that point on. 3. Creating your own information product and selling it. Creating your own information products can be one of the easiest ways to make money online and earn a decent profit in a short period of time. Information products come in many forms, from short reports, ebooks, video content, etc. Information products can be sold by itself or in a series bundled together in a physical product or digital to be downloaded online. 4. Domaining. Although buying and selling domains is not a get-rich-quick enterprise, domains can be a good investment. As the need for a web presence continues to grow, domain names should go up in value. Buying domains to sell is a great investment. It has little risk and can have high profits. And it's open to anyone with a bank or credit card to buy the domains and a bank account to deposit what profits you are making from selling the domains. 5. Participate in Get Paid to websites. Get Paid to websites are websites that pays their members to do works or tasks mainly online, but it can be offline. These types of websites are in the business of receiving money from the advertisers. They then share a percentage of their earnings with their members, who help them generate more money into their networks. To participate with these Get Paid to websites, you will have to sign up with them first. 6. Online freelance work. There are plenty of online freelance job opportunities, and thanks to the internet, getting started with freelancing online can be a lot easier than searching for freelance work offline.